This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-Series. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include an off-road package, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: front and rear reading lights, a trailer hitch receiver, trailer wiring, the Securilock anti-theft system, front and rear floor mats, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, door reinforcement beams, rear seat child-proof door locks, and the heated second row seats can warm your passengers up in seconds, keeping them comfortable the whole trip. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Bob Davidson Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1845 East Joppa Road in Baltimore.